Welcome to Jotform. My name is George, and today I'm going to show you how to modify the width of your form. In case you don't want to use automatic width from Jotform, then you can set your own. So follow me to my desktop to show you how right now. Alright, this is our demo form, so let's get started to show you how to change the width of your form. Let's go into the designer settings. We'll go into style, and the first setting that we're going to see is form width. Right now it's 752 pixels, but what happens if we change this and we only want to use our form for mobile devices? Well, let's just say we want to put 320 pixels. Alright, you can see it just updated right here on the preview. And what happens if we do 900 pixels? Well, it goes even wider. Another way that we can edit this is by going down to Advanced Designer Settings, and this will open up the Theme Designer. Here we go into Form Layout, and we also have other settings that we can set right here. So for example, in this case, we can also change this to 700, and we have vertical padding. See what happens? We have some padding on top, horizontal padding, and that updates. See how it updates? And the input width, we could change all these options available. And that is in the Advanced Designer. Well, that is how you set the width of your form on Jotform. We thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on our next tutorials.